Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and today what we have with us is a little white box with a number 2 written on it, and this is not the number 2 that you and I pursue. It is the Realme 2. It is a successor to the Realme 1, very conveniently titled the Realme 2, and we're going to unbox it for you. So the first thing, of course, that you are going to find in the box is a case, which I think has become a pretty standard norm these days to provide when you guys get a smartphone, blah, and of course the phone itself. Ta-da! It's been unboxed once before, so that we could actually check out and be a little more informed of what we are going to tell you. But the biggest surprise came when you actually turn the phone around, and if I hit the Realme logo, I swear to God, I think you would mistake it for a very nice looking Oppo phone that we saw in the past with, the same dimensions and the same diamond cut kind of a look. However, you have a fingerprint sensor in the middle at the back. Out here, you have a dual camera setup, which is a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel setup. With the flash, how it performs is something we will tell you when we get through our review of the phone. It has a 6.2 inch display with, of course, the most useless invention on a smartphone since sliced bread, which is a notch. Apple justifies its notch, these others don't, it's just blah. Anyway, once the phone is booting up, we will quickly run you through some of the other specifications. Like we said, it's a 6.2 inch 720p display, and the battery on this device is a massive 4230 mAh. So combining a large battery with a low resolution display means that you should be able to get it to last quite a bit. However, that is something that we will also comment on in our review. Now the front, for which of course the notch was very necessary, houses the earpiece and the 8 megapixel camera. Out of the box, the smartphone runs on Android 8.1. It has a Snapdragon 450 and comes in two variants, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, and 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, which is nice. You got to plonk it in the case because it's going to be a fingerprint magnet, and the reason you did not, not easily plonkable in the case, I see. Really not easily plonkable in the case. Are you sure we have the case for the right phone? Oh my god! Yeah, that's what. She's already left. I'm still struggling. Sorry for the really non-PG-13 reference, but yeah, okay, that was a struggle, but it fit. And that's what the case looks like. You also have the charger and the charging cable in the box, and no headphones. So there you have it, guys. We have the successor to the Realme. Oh, the flap is a nice addition to protect the charging port. You have the endangered species of a headphones jack at the bottom, a single speaker grill, and of course Android 8 out of the box. How it performs is something we will tell you in our review, but until then you can let us know what you would like to see when we unbox devices for you, and if there's anything else you would like to know about the device during our review, you can let us know. We will do our best to answer it in your review. Until then, we will catch you in another unboxing. It's goodbye for now.